Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to embed Mentimeter into Canva. If you want to make your presentations more interactive, embedding a Mentimeter slide into Canva is a powerful way to do it. Instead of just showing static content, you can include live polls, quizzes, and audience responses mubashara inside your design. This makes your presentation more engaging and dynamic, especially for classes, meetings, or events. The process is actually simple once you know where to look, but there are a few important details that can trip people up if not explained clearly. To begin, open your browser and go to Canva. Log in to your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, click on the Create button. From the drop-down, select Custom Size. Now set both width 200, height 200. Make sure the units are set to pixels. Clarification: this small size, 200 by 200 pixels, is just a starting placeholder. You can resize the embedded content later once it's inside your design. Now click Create New Design. Once your blank canvas loads, go to the left-hand panel. Scroll down and click on Apps. Inside the Apps section, use the search bar and type Embed. Click on the Embed app. Clarification: the Embed app allows you to insert external content like Mentimeter, videos, or other web-based tools directly into your Canva design. Now open a new tab and go to Mentimeter. Log in and open the presentation or slide you want to embed. Once your slide is ready, look for the Share or Presentation link. Copy the link to your clipboard. Now go back to your Canva project. Inside the Embed app, you'll see a field where you can paste a link. Paste your Mentimeter link there. Click Add to Design. Your Mentimeter content will now appear inside your Canva canvas. Once the embed is added, you can click on it and resize it. You can also position it anywhere in your design, change its background color, and edit it as you want. At this point, your Mentimeter content is embedded. You can combine it with other elements in Canva, add text, images, or branding around it, structure your presentation however you want. Just keep in mind that embedded content works best when presented digitally, not in printed designs. Using Canva together with Mentimeter allows you to create interactive and engaging presentations. To summarize, embedding Mentimeter into Canva involves creating a custom canvas, opening the Embed app, copying your Mentimeter link, pasting it into Canva, and resizing the embedded content. This allows you to integrate interactive elements directly into your designs. And that's how to embed Mentimeter into Canva. Once you understand how embedding works, you can go beyond just static designs and start creating truly interactive presentations. This is especially powerful if you're presenting to an audience and want real-time engagement instead of just one-way communication. The key is making sure your links are correct and your layout is clear so everything displays properly. As you get more comfortable, you can experiment with embedding other tools as well, turning Canva into a much more dynamic platform than most people realize. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.